What's up, YouTube? How you doing, guys? Happy New Week. This week is gonna be great. I can see it. I can feel it. Today is Monday, and the week is already looking top notch. Last week was great. We had Bitcoin flying over the top. You can see Bitcoin actually went to. We can see Bitcoin right now 122, and yeah, we had gold shooting up. And although gold is doing its thing, so I know everybody's gonna be wondering what's gonna happen now. Is the market really going to go up, or are we gonna have some bit of a retest on Bitcoin? Well, that's what I'm gonna explain or talk more about in this video. Yeah, in this video, apart from DXY, I'll actually be talking about gold and Bitcoin more, but I do have a setup on Euro USD which I'll be covering at the end of this video. I'll also be talking about XRP, so make sure you're watching this video to the end. And if you've not liked and subscribed, do that, because my name is Blackman and I'm the leader of the all traders community, and I make videos just like this because I like to talk about the market. So if you love hearing about what's happening in the market, literally everything, okay, I'm a technical analyst. So if you like that, just make sure you watch to the end, like and subscribe, and you can share. All right. Okay, diving into it. Let's just analyze DXY first. Let's look at DXY. Looking at the DXY, today I don't have my cameras off. So the DXY is probably going to be looking like how I see my Euro USD, because the inverse of this is actually showing on the Euro USD. Okay, but DXY, I'm gonna just go straight to the weekly time frame, then move on to the daily before going back to gold. So we can see again. What did I tell you all? We're gonna come where we stopped there. I said no, we're going to come to the 95 region. Okay, and what is this? We actually tipped at 96, right? 96.367, but we're still expecting that 95 region. I'm still expecting it. So there's a big chance that we might still pull down, but even if it doesn't, we tap somewhere close to it. So there's a big chance that we might be your DXY might be looking to just go up a little bit. Maybe feel the $99 region again, or let's say value or price, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So that being said, I mean that's down DXY. It's going the way I expect. It's going the way I want it to go. So there is no I don't really see any possible outcome of DXY really going bullish right now, because I'm expecting that I was expecting last week that Bitcoin should go back, Bitcoin going up, right? And it happened, and that's why we've seen the DXY dropping. So unless maybe there's gonna be a reversal on Bitcoin and probably gold, and then that's when we'll see this reversal on DXY. But right now, I'm only seeing bearish on the DXY. I'm still on my bearish perspective till at least we clear this level, till at least we tap into it, we clear it, or I don't know, maybe we just tip up, like just maybe a tip touches it and goes back up till I get that clearance from that level. That's when I'll believe, okay, we are really going bullish on DXY. But again, we do have this little climb up from here, price, and I don't know whatever you want to call it, but this shows that there's a big chance on the daily that we are probably going to start hitting on 99. So maybe this week we might see green nature, or let me just put it as green nature or green spikes on the DXY. Am I correct? Yeah. So let's moving on to gold. Let's move on to gold. Yeah, let me if you want more setups, just join the community on Telegram. It's open. You can feel free to chat. You can DM me in private. My Discord is available. My Instagram is available. So yeah, that's why I drop most of the setups. Okay, so on the gold, I had this set up. So I had live session with my buddies, and then we were analyzing this, and I drew this chart, but because I was about analyzing the chart today, I just cleaned it up. But this is what I drew, and I mean, Price has been following this setup. Okay, Price has been following it. Okay, and this is vital. I like this. Okay, I kind of like this because it shows that there's a big chance of a reversal. There's a big chance of a reversal on Price is coming here. But there's also something I analyze with my friend or my other trading partners. Okay, so if you want to join us every Sunday, every Sunday 11 p.m. you can join us on our Sunday's live session. Okay, Sunday's live session is free. Just join us where we analyze the chat. You can sit down. If you have ideas, you can also talk about your idea. All right. So going down straight to the monthly time frame. Yeah, let's just go up to the monthly time frame. What analyze? Okay, so I'm saying we have this, and we have this. On the third month, right? That means the next month should be very green for gold. That means probably something's gonna happen and DXY is gonna dip lower. All right, but I'm expecting a little. I don't want. I'm expecting that maybe this month we actually go above this level, around 3, 4, 5, 5, and the likes of those numerical value. If we do go above that, then there's still a big chance that next month will be green for gold before. Then I think after next month, August, probably then we should have some kind of decline in price for gold, but I'm not sure yet. I want to see how the month is done halfway through and that. Okay, so moving that back, this is the weekly time frame. So still on my same analysis. I don't really have much setup for gold, but I do have a way. I do see a pattern. I do see where price is going. So yeah. Just let me know what you think. Do you think gold is gonna go up? Do you think gold is gonna go down? Just let me know. We buying or selling gold this week? All right. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, I'm on my PC, I'm on my laptop. On the 1 hour time frame, still doesn't see it. I still don't see things like that. But what I do see is okay. You see, I did take a loss around there, and price did come back down. It's still at this level. Okay, still at this level, but maybe we might retrace back to 3,085. Probably there's still a big chance for that, or maybe we completely sweep around this level and go to the 3,392. But because I also have bearish nature on DXY, then I'll probably look into bullish nature for gold, but I'm not sure. All right, but let me know what you think down in the comments. The comment sections are open, so yeah. Now moving on to Bitcoin. Let's analyze Bitcoin. Again, this is just a general market review, okay? It's not me doing any deep analysis. You can see I'm going through it fast. This is a market review. I normally do this every week. So if you want the setups, if you want deeper analysis, make sure you are in the community. Make sure you are in the all traders community. It's an open community, so even if you have your own idea, you can always drop and share. All right. Okay, so moving on, let's just go straight to the weekly time frame. Let's start from there. You can see this. This is beautiful. Okay, beautiful. I love this. I still have a price target at 146 because I know Bitcoin is going to 150. Okay, I still have my price target over there, but we claim 150. But I'm seeing something. Hold up. Wait a minute. Going back down to my daily time frame. On my daily, I maxed out this level, and I'm like, there's a big chance that we are gonna retrace. Okay, so I'm looking for sell opportunities on Bitcoin. I know you'd be like, sell. The market is, I know, but just humor me this once. Whenever market goes up, there has to be some kind of level of downtrend candles or down close candles or whatever you all learned during your trading class. Okay, there has to be something like that, and I can see that right now because I mean, if you look at this, Bitcoin went up. It came back down around here. It went up a little bit, but we have chances of Bitcoin going back up. Look at this from here. Even if it took enough time, it still came back to the zone. And I'm just marking that out, not because I'm just using that as the POI of where price can be drawing to. Okay, but I'm looking at this huge imbalance around here, and then there's a breakout around here, so there's a big chance that we might still retrace, if not to this level, but around this level. Okay, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, that's still possible. All right, so overall, I would say, hey, if you want to still buy Bitcoin, you can hold up this week. This week is probably going to be a lot of people selling off. I don't really think there's going to be any major thing that will take Bitcoin right now to 150. Okay, so bear with me. I know we all must have lost our chances, but there's still chance. There's a lot of chance. All right, you can short it, you can sell it, and probably buy back. Okay, so that's that for Bitcoin. If you let me know what you think, is Bitcoin going to 150 or is Bitcoin going to drop back to 110? I mean, I feel it's going to drop back, but what do you think? Let me know what you think. Okay, moving on. Let's touch on down to XRP. XRP. Where are the XRP communities? Any XRP communities in the house? Any XRP community in the house? All right. So look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. XRP is doing well. You can see the whole market is swarming greed. The whole market is swarming with profit. Like, yo, 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 we're making profit. We're making profit. But don't put your head in the don't put your head in the clouds and get lost. Okay, make sure you analyze and you know what you're doing. Okay, if you can't see a setup, look right now for those people looking for how to get into crypto and they're confused or something like that. You can just buy XRP, buy Dogecoin, buy some, just buy some good ass token that would do well, and just hold on. You don't have to run and go buy Bitcoin, okay? If you don't have up to like $10,000 in your hand that you can just blow on the market, that if the $10,000 disappears, you're not gonna shake, right? Just put it in the tokens that are listed. I'm not saying you might have tokens that you want. Go do that, okay? But I'm not gonna tell you to put your whole $10,000 in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is going to 200k. No, I'm not gonna tell you that. All right. There are many tokens that would do well. We still have Solana, bro. Have you seen the Solana chart? Hold up. Have you seen the Solana chart? This is the Solana chart. The Solana is look. I don't know about anybody, but you will have to get in on Solana. Solana is going to spike, and the spike will be massive. Okay, the trenches are coming up. So if you're telling me that you have $10,000 and you or $1,000 and then you're like, I want to buy Bit. No, bro. Look at Solana. Look, everything is risks, okay? But how you take your risks or how you spend your risks matters, okay? And that's why I'm just putting this out here. Not financial advice though, because I don't want someone calling me to tell me, hey, you told me to buy Solana. But you get what I mean, alright? So last but not the least, let's look at my Euro USD setup. I still have other setups, but I will drop most of them this week. This week I'll be thoroughly trading. Normally I don't trade all the time, but oh man, I'm broke. I need to trade to make some money. Alright, so I mapped out some possible retracement level, let's just call it liquidity. And yeah, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me start from the monthly because we're in a new month and I need to talk about. Let's just start from the weekly. All right, so weekly type shit. We're here. All right, we are here, and you can see in this weekly there is a gap, and in this gap it looks like it's filled, right? Which is accurately correct. And I was aiming for this supply zone, whatever it is. I was retarded and I called it a supply zone. I don't care what you call it, but just call it my POI, whatever it is. There's double bottom, there's a double top at this level, so there's a big chance there's a very strong liquidity sweep, and yeah, market price is probably going to retrace to that. Okay, call it whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm aiming for that. And so if we right now I see a kind of entry on, let's just first go down to the daily. The daily has different points marked out because I went to the 4-hour time frame, and then I did see liquidity sweep around here, and I'm like, oh, there's a big chance that we would probably sell to this level. But when I went down back to my 1-hour time frame, I had more reason to think that okay, we should be going bullish on Euro USD shortly, probably by New York session. So I would be taking a trade right now, no, if I was to take a trade, I actually plan I'll be using this entry here. I think I pulled my entry, but anyway, I did hold up. So oh wait, this is the this is the wrong one. Hold up, that is the wrong one. Where is it? Okay, yeah. So this is where I'm targeting. So my stop loss would just be around either below this order block, because there's an order block here. If I go down to the 15-minute time frame, I'll show you. So it's just safe to put it below that level, put it around there, and yeah, aim for this zone. Okay, if you aim for this, still good, but if you want to take it further, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. But hey, I'm not saying that's not possible, but just you can just humor me, okay? This is very possible. Price can do this, okay? I mean, Price can, and Price will. It just depends on how well Price decides to go. But I'll be taking my profit around here, major profit around here, or probably around here, okay? Because this are very incredible levels. So I'll be taking major profits around here, and if it does go break around, like if Price does something like this and then comes back around here and keeps dangling around here around all those levels, then I probably would hang on longer and um probably get. So guys, yeah, that's it. So if you want more setups, if you want more more highlights or insights, make sure to join the All Traders community. The link is in the description below, and let me know what you think. Will Euro USD actually go up? Hey, we're all learning here, okay? Nobody's perfect, but when you see a setup, you just take it, okay? So yeah, let me know what you think. Will Euro USD actually go bullish? Is it just gonna be a short buy and then deeply sell? Let me know what you think, guys. All right, guys. So catch you in the next one, and make profit this week. Amen.